I'm just gonna say morning this time. It's like 5:30 in the morning. Somebody's been too busy thrashing on mullet that they forgot to check the schedule for the racetrack. And I thought that the test and tune that we were gonna take the lawn dart to was in the evening. Turns out it starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. And I think I know about how much time it's gonna take to finish the car. And doggone it, we're gonna get to the racetrack with the lawn dart. So here I am at 5:30 in the morning to work on the lawn dart on a Saturday. I'm sleepy. I'm gonna go get to work. See you in there. All right, a little bit more awake now. Whew. So, before we go to the track, we need to put the Zeus fasteners into the hood, bolt the front and rear windows in, install the window net, install the CO2 bottle, that's not a biggie, and mount the rear interior carbon fiber piece, which is this right here. See, it fits around the drive shaft loop or the drive shaft tunnel. So I need to put some tabs underneath where this is gonna bolt to the floor so that it'll stay put. And then we need to just finish the scaling. The car got scaled a long time ago before everything was fully assembled. So I want to drop it back on the scales to make sure that everything's balanced right. Put Dick in the car, set the preload on the anti-roll bar, and then go to the racetrack. We're not going to go fast at the racetrack, but we'll at least hopefully get some shakedown runs. Anyways, I'm going to set the time lapse, crank the tunes on to wake me up even more, and I'm going to get to work. Let's see if we can make this happen. And yeah, Travis and Dick are both coming too, but I got down here really early to try and get a head start. I think we can make this happen. The track rental is 10 to 4. Worst case, we make it by 1 or 2. But Dick's got a race next weekend he's really been excited about doing. So doggone it, we're gonna get this car done. Here we go. All right, well, it is 11:30, so I was actually hard working by 6. So 6, 5.5 hours, and then Travis got here around 7. Cranked on this thing. I'm gonna crank it up, back it out into the trailer. We're going to the racetrack. All right, well, let's see how this thing cranks up after sitting here for a while. Through a sprinkle on the way out here. The crazy thing was, it was sunny this morning, and now it's not, and it's cold. So we gonna get this thing unloaded now, and I'll probably try putting it up on the 2-step just because I haven't done that in a long time, just to make sure that works. And then we're gonna go racing. All right, we are headed down to Tech. Said it was just further down there.
I was thinking no much better now.
Yeah, it had no fuel in it because the tune got swapped to back when it had that little leak at the fuel pressure regulator. It's got some throttle response now.
Power steering though.
No power steering.
This ended up looking real good. It looked like a cockpit windshield.
Yeah,
Because that's exactly how our cockpit is done.
For smashing it out as fast as we smashed it out. We put in some work this morning.
I know, it looks great. I didn't even notice the window yet.
Yeah, window net's done, the rear piece is in. I think you're probably gonna need a couple more.
Yeah.
And now that we got the process down, it'll go quick.
Is this it?
Yeah, I guess it's down there. Alright, so we're doing a little bit of bump tuning. Let's see how this works. Ah, perfect.
I got fans.
She gets a little warm even with the hood, or even with the fans on, with the hood on.
Yeah, I think it's just going to be the nature of the beast right now.
picking up rocks and stuff back there. Definitely need a few more Zeus panels in that middle one. Yeah, I can just see where it's flexing on the Zeus's, but all right, Dick's first pass in the lawn dart. Pretty exciting stuff. It's on just basically 5 pounds of dome pressure, real soft. You know, it's totally brand new build, so we got to make sure the brakes work. It felt great riding around the shop, but make sure the brakes work, make sure the shifter works, make sure it goes straight, all that good stuff. Pretty good looking little joker there. That's pretty exciting. See a new build finally hit the track for the first time. Enough, but I really had no idea what the shocks were going to do or anything like that, so we'll go look at video, make some adjustments, come back up here again. It's been oil down after oil down, and then rain's been coming occasionally and delaying it, so we're finally getting another chance to send the dart down the track. Hopefully this time goes a little better.
Pretty fine. Cool. I liked it. Yeah, it felt like it.
Everything was good?
Yeah, solid straight.
Sweet. Cool. Let's do look at some data and go do another one. All right, so we made some changes. Almost everybody is left, and so we're gonna try and go get another run and maybe one more run. But everything's looking good. That was a nice straight pass. It's great. Dick hadn't been in a car in forever, and the thing just, he's got another mid 9-second naturally aspirated Mopar. This one's gonna be a little bit faster. Let's try this again. Well, that's the way it goes sometimes. But I got some good shakedown runs. It sounded like he stepped back in it down on the top end and got it to shift. So we got some good data, and we'll go to a... Yeah, that's what we did too. So Dick's gonna take the car to Bradenton next weekend for a stock block shootout. I've got to go to Atlanta for Trans Am. All right, so we thought we were done, but Jack said they'd give us one more attempt. It may work, it may not. I'm running. I really softened the tune up down low. like really soften the tune-up down low. Whew. But hopefully it'll do something this pass, and then we'll try to do it again. Not today, but try to go and do it again at Bradenton. Well, not the results we were hoping for, but any day you can drive it in the trailer, it's a good day. Everything seems to be working on the car really well. The tune-up, once he stepped back in it down the track, looks pretty good. So they're going to take it to Bradenton next weekend and try to do a little bit better with it while I go to Atlanta for a Trans Am, and hopefully they'll do pretty well with it. Maybe I'll get some video to make a video, or maybe not. So appreciate everybody watching and subscribing and commenting and all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time.